Hey everyone, welcome back to the Factory Reproductions channel. My name is Joseph, and today we'll be talking to you about our latest wheel, the FR401F C8 Z06 replica wheel. The FR401F is offered in multiple sizes and finishes to fit your C5, C6, C7, and C8 Corvettes, with sizes ranging from 18 by 8.5 all the way up to 20 by 12. Finishes offered for this wheel are chrome, our titanium gray with a dark clear coat, and last but not least, our gloss black finish. For your C5 standard fitment, we offer an 18 by 8.5 with the plus 54 offset in the front and a 19 by 10 with the plus 56 offset in the rear. The recommended tire sizes for this fitment are 245, 40, 18 up front, and 285, 35, 19 in the rear. For your C6 standard fitment, we offer an 18 by 8.5 with the plus 54 offset up front and a 19 by 10 with the plus 79 offset in the rear. The recommended tire sizes are 245, 40, 18 in the front, and 285, 35, 19 in the rear. Pretty much the same as your C5 fitments, just with a slightly higher offset in the rear. For your C7 standard, we offer a 19 by 10 with the plus 56 offset in the front and a 20 by 10 with the plus 79 offset in the rear. The most common tire size for this setup will be 245, 35, 19 up front, with the 285, 30, 20 in the rear. The C7 Z06 will have a 19 by 10 plus 40 offset up front and a 20 by 12 with a plus 59 offset in the rear. The common tire sizes for this setup will include a 285, 35, 19 up front and a 335, 25, 20 in the rear. Last but not least, the C8 standard fitments we offer are a 19 by 8.5 with a plus 40 offset up front and a 20 by 11 with a plus 52 offset in the rear. Common tire sizes for this fitment will be a 245, 35, 19 in the front and a 305, 30, 20 in the rear. Okay, now with fitments out of the way, we could talk about one of the biggest highlights about this wheel, which is flow form. The FR401F is our very first flow-formed Corvette wheel that we have released into the market. The three key points of flow-form wheels are that they are lightweight, durable, and have increased options. If you are unaware of the flow-form process and wish to learn more, we will drop a link in the description below so that you can check out the process from start to finish. So that'll do it for the FR401F. As always, if you have any questions or concerns surrounding this wheel or fitment, you can be sure to give us a call, send an email to sales@factoryreproductions.com, or drop a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe and let us know what wheel you would like to see next, or give us a follow on Instagram or any of our other social platforms. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.